Jogging everything, but I've never been this sore for so long. It is Wednesday. I'm gonna squats from Monday, dog. I'm so sorry I'm not use weights. Yo, I'm telling you, this new thing, I'm glad I'm vlogging, because even with losing weight or with the gym, you don't need the gym to build muscle. I mean, like big ass muscle. It's gonna take a longer time because you're only using your body weight. But I mean, you guys are watching me. I mean, all I have is time, right? And let's say I'm vlogging like every other day up until, or like once a week up until like December or January. So you guys are still gonna see the progress. So it's attainable. It can be done. I feel like that's the whole mood of just my content, to know that I'm creative. Because if you recognize everything is mushed, no. Remember, I created Lyric Uncut for this type of content, because when I was doing YouTube back then, we separated things, you know. Never pull everything together. So now I have Lyric Uncut, ain't doing nothing with it. 30-something thousand subscribers, which they're probably dead subscribers, and I have this over 200,000. And I have something to tell you guys. It's a little bit personal. I have lost over 1,000 subscribers since starting back doing videos every single day, but my viewership has gone up so much. My viewership has gone up so much, and because now this is what I'm focusing on, my engagement has gone up. I'm actually responding to you guys. I'm talking to you. I'm recognizing people in my comment section, and that's an amazing feeling. It's an amazing feeling. So yeah, last night my dash and juice on the bed, so I'm gonna take up the menu. I'm gonna go wash. Oh, Gigi, wake up! I am so sore. Gigi made my coffee, so I'm gonna make it into an iced coffee. You guys, I didn't fall asleep this morning until I think after 2 a.m. because I made the coffee too strong. Because even though I love coffee, I'm not a good coffee maker. And grandma said me use too much of the scoops. She said she used like 2 scoops when she doing it for me. Yesterday I did, I think 4 or 5. I didn't know I wasn't supposed to do so much. I'm not a good my grandma always make like amazing coffee, so I didn't know I was doing it wrong. I did not know I was a cold drinking coffee person. And look at my yabby nails, my yabby Z nails. I hyped. Okay, so I downloaded a new editing software, so I'll be playing with it for today. Oof, I have videos for day 13, day 14. I don't have anything for 15. I have mukbang coffee. I don't want any of your I don't want any of your cereal. So yeah, I forgot what I was saying. I didn't even know I was like a morning person. Like, no, I know I've always been a morning person, but I didn't know that I was like a coffee person to that. Like, I love coffee, but I can't have it because, I mean, I guess you guys are probably thinking I can probably have the caffeinated, but I guess I can try the caffeinated coffee. I've never tried the caffeinated coffee before, else I don't think so. I'm trying to multitask. All right, let's see what's going to happen. Huh?
Ninja, Kung Fu, or Karate.
Ninja what?
Ninja or Kung Fu or Karate.
Oh, Lord of His mercy. No, I never know some them things that Viviana go on with in Nigeria. My daddy never beat her when she did younger. Come on, so there's no way mama could ever get beaten when she did younger. Because I'm going to see her beating every time I say I got lick Jalil. I know you not touch Jalil. I say Jalil is her. Did you not beat her?
No.
What?
No.
What?
No,
What? What?
Fine.
Gigi's fine?
Yeah.
I love you so much, you know. Look at I mess up the place. Look there. Come show them that your coke in your head. Come. Come now. You want to show them that you're cutting your hair then? Put down the phone. Why don't put down the phone? My phone in house. Yeah, my phone in house. Johnny, put down the phone, please. Who's baby? Who's baby? Who's baby? I love you. Johnny, go put your diaper and put on your diaper. Thank you.
Mom, look here. This is what some water watching.
So you're going to Google what happens when you burn one of your taste buds.
A man has to save him child and him baby life, you know. You make the tiger eat it.
If you ever take it out, my clap you in this. I must stop touch up my things. Jonathan made it for me. Stop taking it out. If you mash it up, me I'm gonna beat you. I tell him to ramp with me in a jolly. Don't touch me things kind of yours. Come to me and it means a lot to me. If you mash up my beat jolly, I swear to God, my beat if you mash up my thing, Jonathan make for me. Don't touch it.
Here are some videos about what happens when you burn.
Stop. No. One of your.
That's how I'm seeing it. And you swallow this seed by accident. When the defecation you come out.
Body, I don't know how it works, but your body mash up the seed. I don't know how it works, but eat bubblegum. Have you ever swallowed bubblegum before?
Yeah.
Everyone that dangerous, right? But for some reason our body breaks down that bubblegum, Jonathan, that's so sticky, and it will pass it through. No, that's
What do you mean we pass it through?
we defecate it out or vomit or something. But hold on, I don't know. I think some foods get stuck in the body and that's why people get sick. And it has to do with your colon, I think. I think it's a colon, I'm not sure. That we used to get on the younger Jonathan, I peer beating them give because them assume say once we get beaten we're gonna do better. I peer beating we used to
That's
do.
not always the key.
That's not the truth. You cannot beat a child. If that was the case, okay, so alright then. So if when they beat a child they get better, why all the adults in the world are so rude? Why still have rude adults? That means they never get enough beating? You can't just that's wrong. You can't just beat people and expect everybody to behave the same way like everybody. People different. That's why I can shout out for you. I'm a beat Jalil. Because Jalil a bad man. So now I beat
I'm
Jalil.
behaving good.
Exactly, so it's different.
So the bigger you get, the better you get.
No, not the bigger you get, the better you get. The more you understand why I had to beat you, the better you get. But as I say, I don't want to beat you and Jalil because that don't make no sense. Because I don't respect you when I have sense. You have sense, brother. If I say don't do something, you just don't do it. They can ask me, mommy, why I'm not it, and you explain it to you. But if you go do it now, Jonathan, they know me and beat you. You know that, though. I know this might sound weird, but all of my videos have over 2,000 views. I know that sounds nice because I have over 200,000, but look at everybody else's channel. When you look at their channel, you recognize that basically the 10% is what survives. And out of that 10%, 90% of you aren't subscribed. Remember, I've had my channel for over 12 years. I really wish YouTube would go through and remove... Hold on, this is really loud. I really wish YouTube would go through and remove all the dead channels, all the channels that have been inactive for years, because it's like messing up the count. And it's... I know I don't have 200 and something, but it looks like that. But I'm not gonna fool myself. So I'm gonna say I have like 200,000 flat subscribers, not 234. Is it about my videos? Because me I talk and that in my ears I play.
No.
Go put down the cup in the make it stay. You can press back play. So yeah, it's 17 hours ago. I'm so grateful, you guys. I really am. Like my videos are getting like 2,000 views a day ago, and 2.2 for a day. That's crazy. I know this one would have gone because it's with my partner. So well, not really. So but you know what? Anyway, so yeah. But realize a woman will have good front, always in a problem. I only don't want them man, them I got have you up. I do not know what it is with females and just this rampant I'm insecure now, but not when it comes down to my partner. He has not given me a reason to be insecure. I want to tell him, I talk to him. Remember say, you know how me stay. Can imagine the man I'm with. And remember your interacting is, you're done, Jonathan. You're happy.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
This is where I come to relax, to recoup, to edit, to everything. This is my spot. This is Kingston Reggae on Instagram. Please go ahead and check them out, you guys. Follow them and let them know that I sent you. And you guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. Thank you so much for our new subscribers. How you doing? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Interact with me. Interact, because I'm actually talking back to you guys and it feels good. It feels really good. Miss Jamaica, thank you so much for commenting. Even though you said never commented. Miss Jamaica, big up yourself. Yeah, bye guys. We're doing it. We are actually doing this.